Hello traders, and welcome to the market opening preview on a Friday, end of our trading week, August 8th, 2014. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue skies, sunny, not too warm, pretty nice to tell you the truth. Early in the morning my time, traders. Before 9 a.m., I'm at the charts and getting ready for my day. Traders, great to be with you. Got a lot to talk about today before we approach our weekend break. So let's get started. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator for the market opening preview, brought to you every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006, and in 2008, I retired as a firefighter paramedic out of the great state of Florida after 27 great years. Traders, took a vacation to Thailand for 3 months and never went back. Traders, I trade the Forex markets every single trading day. I love doing what I do. I hope you love doing it also. So traders, that's just a little bit about me. I am, well, intrigued by the markets. It's exciting, it's invigorating, and it's fun to make profits, isn't it? So let's see what we can do today, being Friday. Love to go into our Friday weekend break with some profits. All right, traders, this is the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And also, traders, please remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, traders, let's get over to the news and let's see what happened in the indices, and we'll have a short commentary. All right, let's take a look at the indices. The Dow 30 closed down at 0.46%. The S&P also closed down negative 0.56%, and the Nasdaq closed down 0.42%. All right, let's head over to the other side of the pond, and it is not looking pretty. I see a lot of red. The DAX closed negative 1%. The FTSE closed negative 0.58%. The CAC 40 closed negative 1.36%. The Euro Stoxx 50 closed negative 1.24%. Let's go over to some active trading that's going on right now in the Asia session. The Nikkei 225 is down to negative 2.09%. The Shanghai is just in the green at 0.05%. The Hang Seng is negative 0.21%. And the S&P ASX 200 out of Sydney, Australia is down 0.59%. And the Kospi 200 is also trading down currently at negative 1.09%. Wow. What a crazy week in the indices and the markets all over the place. Pretty crazy, I would say. All right, so we do have some high-impact news coming out. Actually, keep an eye on this. We have Chinese trade balance coming out. That was a high-impact news event. Keep an eye on that, traders. As you know, they're never on time when they make announcements, so hopefully they will be. And just coming in right now, President Barack Obama has just approved airstrikes into Iraq, fighting ISIS, and he has stated they will not be sending ground troops, but he just has approved airstrikes. Just coming in on my news feed live as we're doing this. All right, what is going on, my friends? Let's keep going here. That took me a little bit off shock here. Okay, so today out of Japan, we got the Bank of Japan press conference today, and that's a half hour before the London Open. And as we move along, not too much going on. Out of Canada, we have unemployment change, high impact, an hour before the New York Open. And we have non-farm productivity, it's medium impact. I don't see anything that's going to rattle our cages there. And that looks like about it, traders. Quite a quiet trading day on a Friday. give me 1 second and let's see if there's anything we need to be concerned about over the weekend. Well, we do. We have Chinese CPI coming out on Saturday, so be careful of that. If you're leaving anything open, they're not expecting any change. They're expecting it to stay at 2.3%. So if you are leaving trades open over the weekend, watch your commodity pairs, my friends. All right. Well, my commentary was hit during that, and that was that President Obama has authorized airstrikes into Iraq fighting against ISIS, and he did state there will be no ground troops going in. What a wild week we had. The big news, I think, is the Aussie with their unemployment rate going from 6.0% to 6.4%. Most pairs yesterday moved over 80 pips on that news. Then the markets went absolutely quiet until ECB President Draghi spoke. I will tell you that I really don't have a pretty good read on what he said because I really haven't looked into it. So I did see that the end of New York rebounded just a little bit, but not much. As you saw, everything was in the red. All right, let's move forward. A lot to do today. Forex charts. Remember, traders, these are 60-minute charts. We got 6 of them to do. Let's hit it. Okay, the euro dollar. Now, you can see that big spike candle there. That was in New York. So now we're in an area where, as long as we stay below this 200 exponential moving average, I don't see a change of trend here, so we're bearish. The trick to this trade on this hourly chart, traders, is we need to get up to that 33.67 area on a pullback. There is no way we can take a trade where we are right now. And remembering, it's Friday, position squaring, people taking profits, so we might see some swings at market opens and market lunchtime and then market close. I'm referring to London and New York sessions. So, we're looking for the pullback. Let's take the short. We have a tight stop. We're not giving this a lot of room. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. All right, let's head over to the pound. Traders, I put out a forecast yesterday, and I said that I thought that the pound was going to resume its bullish tendencies, and I was incorrect. This just looks like it's going to continue to drop, and data out of the UK yesterday was negative. So, you know what? We're just going to keep selling this one. There's no change of trend. We need the pullback. Let's get that pullback to that 68, 35, 40 area. 68.40 would be nice. Let's get a pullback and take this back. I just don't like going back to the 23.6 fib at 68.26. I just think that's too close. I think we need more than that. We need to get this up more, and then we can take this on a sell trade. All right, let's go over to the crazy pair this week. And this is our Aussie dollar. Look at that from that news data. And then everything went absolutely sideways. Traders, we're just going to have to see what's going to happen. I'm not going to trade this pair today. This pair is just all over the place, has no direction, is not telling us anything. So we're just going to stay with what we have. And if we're going to enter a trade, we're going to take it at 92.86. It's going to have to show me some real stiff confirmation before I get into this trade. I'll be honest with you, traders, I think I'm going to stay away from the Aussie dollar. It doesn't look appetizing to me at the moment. All right, let's keep going. We've got, that is a misread there, my friends. That is the Euro Aussie. This is the Euro Aussie. That is a misread. It is not the Euro dollar. That is the Euro Aussie, 100%. Okay, so we saw this bounce up. Now, we've been bearish in this pair for a long time. And now we're at this spot. We had this move from data from Australia yesterday. Now it's pulled back up a little bit. Remember, this is only an hourly chart. And here we are in this wedge sort of a thing. But I put the stop loss at 44.30 because, that's resistance. It's sustained resistance. And if it comes, to that area, we sure don't want to be in it. The next thing is we don't even want to take this trade until we close below the trend line on the bottom, right? So we're looking at 43.99. We don't want to touch this until we hit that area, okay? Do not want to touch it until we hit that area. We're looking for to 200 exponential moving average being that green line at 1.4370, and we're going to get the heck out of that trade. Let's get our pips and go. I don't know if this trade is going to work today. This pair, since yesterday, is really blown out. So let's see if it continues its down mode, which that's what we're hoping happens. Alrighty. Okay, let's head on over to the Euro Yen. One of our favorite pairs in the last couple of months. It's just doing what it's supposed to do, just stair-stepping down. This hourly chart is absolutely beautiful. Look at this, stair-step, 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 and just coming on down nice and slow. So we want our pullback to this 136.40 area, 45 area, and let's take it short. We're going to get out at 136.20. Only looking for about 21 pips in this today. Remember, it's Friday, position squaring, profit taken, so we got to be aware of that. So you know, if you're going to take trades today, traders, it's not time to go walk the dog. You're going to have to be in front of your charts until you get break even, because if it goes wrong, you want to be able to get out quickly. All right. Okay, the last one for the day is the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar made a nice move yesterday to the downside. We've been bearish in this pair for a little bit, and we're going to continue our bearish sentiment here. So we want this to pull back up to our 50%, or the 38.2 would be fine. So we basically want to come back to 0.8469. Not a big stop. We're at 84.78 for the stop. We're not giving this a lot of room. This is either going to work or it's not going to work, but we have nice profit at 0.8448. So, you know, we're looking for a nice 30 pip profit on this currency pair, and I think we can do that today. Alrighty. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our good friends, FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining us this week for the market opening preview. Traders, thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Get some rest, and we will see you on Monday. Remember, after the New York session, I will be doing the Friday wrap-up, and we'll get that up to YouTube after the New York close. Take care, traders, and talk to you next time. Bye-bye.